All right, folks, here we go. Thursday morning, 2 trading days left in the week. We got a lot cooking. Right now, Dow Jones lower, NASDAQ technology stocks higher. We've got Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. He's talking before Congress again, kicks off at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Had him on Capitol Hill yesterday, talking a bit about inflation, how he thinks it's transitory, how he also thinks that the Fed's going to keep their easy monetary policy in place for the foreseeable future. Markets, not much of a reaction yesterday. I think everybody's waiting for that second day of testimony today. So we'll see if we get a bit of a bump in that action on the back of that. What are we seeing beforehand? Dollar holding in there, relatively flat. As I said, markets mixed bag right now. We do have more earnings today. Morgan Stanley reporting today. We've had a slew of banks reporting this week. All of the banks have beat their estimates. Handful of banks missing on some of the revenue fronts, but generally speaking, everyone's beat estimates. More banks reporting. Morgan Stanley today, more earnings out tomorrow. We've got initial jobless claims. There's a lot on the docket today, folks. Let's get in there. Let's trade it up. I'll check in with you tomorrow.